Abrams X. The Army's newest heavy tank is unstoppable. The emergence of the Abrams X and the many innovations being weaved into the platform is redefining the role of the Abrams tank and heavy armor in U.S. combat operations. In recent years, General Dynamics Land Systems, GDLS, has been working with the U.S. Army to develop and deliver several new high-tech variants of the Abrams tank, such as the V3 and V4 M1-2 SEP tanks. Does the F-22 Raptor have a beast mode? The Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II was designed as a multi-role fighter that can accommodate different weapon loadouts to suit different missions. It was specifically engineered with the ability to launch massive air attacks on air-to-air and air-to-ground targets depending on the situation at hand. The different weapon layouts are meant to accommodate a range of tactical scenarios. Dornier Do-31, world's first and only VTOL jet transport ever built. The Do-31 utilized the same main engines as the Harrier, complete with their own rotatable nozzles to control direction during vertical flight. In the early 1960s, the West German government presented aircraft manufacturer Dornier with a daunting challenge. Concerned that a conflict might destroy existing runways and render its airfields unusable, authorities asked Dornier to develop a vertical takeoff and landing VTOL transport aircraft.